Hello. PlayStation 5. Customer device. Sleek. I really like the design of these. Customer states HDMI port issue. I don't know. It looks okay. But these devices have one of two faults that are very common with those, both of which result in black screen. And one is actual physical damage to the HDMI port, and the other one is, well, much more sinister. Well, got me a ton of these, so let's get after it. Well, I stand corrected. Teensy. A little larger than the microscope, but look at this. It looks like every third row of pins is actually disconnected. Like, look at this. They're like, what happened? Someone like rage jammed an HDMI cord in there? Oh, this one is completely connected. This one here is still on. That's good. These get sometimes these teensy. Wow, let me zoom in. Yeah, I can see it a bit better now. These wow, look at my pick. How large that is in comparison. Here it is. Wow, look at that. Yeah, so these are definitely disconnected. So it's no way in hell this thing is ever gonna have a picture. Look at that. Disconnected. These somehow are still on, but you can still see how this row here. Wow, wait, isn't this supposed to be connected up here too? Like, did this physically break, I wonder? Like, look. This got this up here. It looks like it ripped off, or maybe it's just how the connector's manufactured. I don't know, but also it looks like these here. There was some, I think there's some liquid that came in here at one point because the heatsink on the other side also has some issues. Here, these tiny little components here, this capacitor that likes to get knocked off is still there. That's good. If that's knocked off, I mean, I don't even know what kind of capacitor they were. Maybe it's a resistor. Who knows? They're so tiny. I don't know. And this one here at the bottom edge of the screen, this guy here is also, they like to get knocked off. So the way you fix this is by applying heat to the entire board here and just hopefully lift off the connector clean using, you know, my trusty heat gun here, something like this. But of course, when you blast that with hot air, you're gonna run scared to not look these things off. Anyways, good luck to me. Well, it's back on. So, it's a bit ugly of a solder job, man. Removing the old port was such a pain, and I couldn't get it all the way out of the legs, so I had to actually surface mount the entire unit. But that's okay. All the pins test fine. I just replaced the liquid metal on both cooling surfaces here. And these look a little dry. I don't have the same specification heat pads, but I have high performance heat paste that turns into pads. So I'm going to install some of those. Customer didn't ask for it, but well, I hate to see this machine back just for something stupid like not enough heating or cooling.